Filling out your tax setup in Paycom ensures that your tax withholdings are accurate. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to complete the process. Log into the Paycom app. Open the Paycom app or go to the Paycom website and log in with your company ID, username and password. Navigate to the tax setup section. Once logged in, go to the payroll or my payroll section from the dashboard. Look for an option called tax setup or tax withholding setup. Complete federal tax setup. You'll be prompted to complete your federal W-4 form. This form includes sections for your filing status, the number of dependents you are claiming, and any additional withholding you may want. Make sure to review your selections carefully to ensure accurate tax withholding. Complete state tax setup. After the federal setup, you will be asked to complete a state W-4 form. This may vary depending on your state, but generally follows a similar process to the federal form. Save and submit. Once you've entered your information, review it for accuracy. Then, click Save or Submit to finalize your tax setup. Review confirmation. After submitting, you will receive confirmation that your tax withholdings have been updated.